A lot of men in our society like to boldly shout, I would die for my family. Okay. But would you exercise for them? Would you eat healthy for them? Would you fix your sleep habits for them? Would you chase your dreams for them? Would you fix your bad habits for them? Would you live for them?
Ito yung isa sa mga criticism ko kay Alvin kung bakit when he say he wants to protect his wife. Hindi siya masyadong convincing para sa akin. Although, maganda yung foundation niya which is the Bible, but I don't think that's enough. Kasi kung protection ang pag-uusapan natin para yung totoong protection, hindi ka lang dapat malakas mentally. Kailangan malakas ka rin physically. Para pag nagbitaw ka ng salitang protection, walang duda. Maniniwala sa yung mga tao. Kaso, coming from him, hindi niya na-convince lahat. Hindi kasi convincing. Kaya message ko rin to sa mga kalalakihan dyan. Kung gusto mo talaga protektahan yung family mo, lalo na yung above mo, hindi lang basta sinasabi yan. You have to move like it. You have to look like it. Yun lang mga pare. Stay strong.